Do you have a sweet tooth but you don't want to cheat on your New Year's resolution? Stay tuned for our protein-packed parfait series. I'm going to be doing a new one every day this week. Let's cook! Welcome to episode 1 of our protein-packed parfait replacement series. Today's ingredients are vanilla protein powder of your choice, PB2 peanut butter powder, strawberry Greek yogurt, reduced fat Cool Whip, fresh strawberries, chocolate chips, and unsalted peanuts. Let's begin by adding 5.3 ounces of your favorite strawberry Greek yogurt. For this recipe, we're using the OIKOS Greek yogurt. Next, you're going to want to add a half a cup of your favorite vanilla protein powder. For this recipe, we're using the Dymatize mass protein gainer. I'm skinny, so this is what I use. I've been using it for years. But you could use whatever protein powder you'd like. Just know that the macros down below in the description may vary depending on what Greek yogurt you use and what protein powder you use. Next, let's add 1 tablespoon of PB2 original peanut butter powder. Give this a quick mix until everything's incorporated and nice and smooth. Don't forget to follow us on all of our social media platforms. It is very much greatly appreciated. Next, we have 1 serving of chocolate chips, and I'm going to put some in the mixture and some on top. So save some for the side. Add some unsalted crushed peanuts on top, along with the rest of our chocolate chips. Going to add a nice fresh strawberry on there, and about a tablespoon of Cool Whip. Now that is delicious, my friends. I got the macros down below in the description for this recipe. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and like this video. Tomorrow's video is going to be California cheesecake. Don't forget the threads, baby.